Must be packed very well, or we got a whole bunch of dish detergent. So we'll find out. Let's open it up. Like I said, generally I don't use these sites, but lately with things being out of stock and not being in stock for such a long amount of time, I've been giving the sites a try, and so far I'm 2 for 2. No damage in getting what I was supposed to get. Now this plane was on sale. Generally, now remember, if you're watching this 2 years from now, it could be completely different with prices. But generally, as of December 2024, this plane generally goes for $200 to $289. I got this plane for $70 with free shipping. So like I said, I couldn't pass it up. There's no damage to the box. Everything looks good so far. One little, and for 6 weeks, it being in the mail for 6 weeks, traveling throughout China and the US, it's in pretty good shape. Like I said, it came from AliExpress. Oh, look at that, guys. $1,300mm Pa-18 Super Cub. Has the Reflex V3 Bluetooth version. Oh, let's get it out and check it out. Well, I'm really shocked about how good a shape this box is in for 6 weeks in the mail. Wow, is that package nice. Left wing. That's actually pretty nice. I mean, tape over the servos. It does look like, yeah, I doubt they're digital servos. I don't know. Got a nice book. Not all folded up. Looks like pretty good instructions. Good pictures. Right wing. Wow. That's in really good shape. Look at that fuselage. 2-piece fuselage. Wing spar. I always question whether these are just plastic. There's another wing spar. Here's the rear part of the fuselage. Wow, that's pretty nice. That is sharp looking. Very nice looking. Let's see how wow, fits together nice. I'm sure there's a screw. Yeah, there seems to be a screw right there. Probably put a little bit of glue, unless you want to be able to take it apart. That is pretty nice. Let's see what else we got in here. Wing spars. I'm not sure exactly if that's the right name for it. As you can see on the box, they go from the wing, looks like, down to the lower fuselage. We got a USB cable. This, I am sure, is to program Reflex V3. Oh yeah. Nice switch. Nice strap. Yep, I don't know if you can see that down in there, guys. Dead fingers in there. There's a V3, Reflex V3. So it comes with the cable. That's probably for programming. Got all your wires, some springs for the gear. We got the prop. This is a 11/7 prop. What I want to see is, I believe this has inflatable tires. We got the prop pieces. Here's the meat and potatoes here, guys. These are beautiful. And they are inflatable tires. Nice, soft, squishy. And they have a spot for you to inflate them on the inside. These are nice. I like that landing gear. And it's going to have springs hooked to it. Excellent. Well, guys, I'll tell you what. AliExpress